Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you an in-depth look at the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the 65W laptop charger for Dell Inspiron 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 series, and much more. If you own a Dell laptop and are looking for a reliable charger that delivers exceptional performance, this product might be just what you need. Whether you're powering up your Inspiron, Latitude, or Vostro series, this charger offers seamless compatibility for a wide range of Dell models. Let's dive into why this charger is the best choice for your laptop needs. First, this is a 65W AC adapter, providing 19.5 volts and 3.34 A of power to keep your Dell laptop running efficiently. With high compatibility across various Dell laptop models, it's designed to work with devices like the Dell Inspiron 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 series, along with Latitude 3310, 3420, 3540, and several Vostro models. Whether you have a Dell Inspiron 3000, 5000, or 7000 series, or any of the Latitude or Vostro models listed, this charger can handle the power needs of your device. This charger features a round power connector, with two different connector sizes, 4.5 x 3.0 mm and 7.4 by 5.0 mm. It's important to check which size your device requires, as this ensures a secure connection to your laptop. It also comes with a power cord, making it a complete solution for keeping your laptop charged and ready to go. The beauty of this charger lies in its high compatibility with various Dell models. Whether you have an Inspiron 3500, 5500, or any of the other series within the 3000, 5000, or 7000 ranges, it'll keep your device powered up, ensuring you're never left without battery when you need it the most. This charger is also a great replacement for the original one, providing the same reliable performance at an affordable price point. It's important to note that this charger offers safety features, including overvoltage and overcurrent protection. This means you don't have to worry about damaging your laptop while charging, making it a reliable option for everyday use. If you're tired of dealing with faulty chargers that can't keep up with your laptop's power demands, this 65W laptop charger for Dell Inspiron and other Dell models is an excellent replacement. With its solid build and proven compatibility with a range of devices, you can be confident that it will keep your Dell laptop powered throughout your day. So, if you're in the market for a dependable charger for your Dell laptop, this is the product you've been looking for. Make sure to check it out today and experience the reliability and performance for yourself. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews.